Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mazda's front hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin. It's typically found on the driver's side, often near the lower left dashboard or along the door sill. Once you find it, give the lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, indicating the first latch has disengaged, slightly popping the hood open. This prepares the hood for the next step. Now that your hood is slightly ajar, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right in the center. You'll feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary release, designed for an extra layer of security. It's usually a simple push or pull. With your fingers on the secondary latch, either push it up, pull it towards you, or slide it to the side, depending on your Mazda model. You'll feel it release, allowing the hood to lift freely. Once it's disengaged, gently raise the hood. It should open smoothly without resistance. Be sure to lift it completely to access the engine bay safely and easily. Finally, to keep the hood securely open, locate the prop rod. This rod is typically attached to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Carefully lift the hood a bit higher and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole on the underside of the hood. Make sure it's firmly seated. This ensures the hood remains stable and safely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.